guys, welcome back to the channel.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
To install this, I recommend adding a friend for help. It just makes it easier when you're tucking in straps. They can be on the other side pulling it. If you don't have somebody to help you, it's fine. The box does include this tool to help with tucking. So with that said, let's get started with the front driver's seat. You want to make sure you have your tool and this little bag of hardware. You're going to need that for the installation of the front seat. We're going to start with the bottom portion. In the instructions, it says to go ahead and put the hook onto this strap. I don't. I wait till the very end to do that because it makes it easier for you to tuck it in. So we're going to put this around the seat. And then we are going to put these two straps all the way through the back, and you're going to grab it from behind and pull tight. You're going to need to pull this down a little bit to grab these straps. Once they're through, you can come back up to the front and push these tight. You can even use your tool to slide it through the seat. It's important to note that the bottom part of these seats are size specific. There's going to be Velcro that's going to go towards the inside of the car because these seats have like this little carpet on the interior right here towards the shifter area. So you're just going to Velcro that to the side. And then you're going to take these two straps and you're going to slide them in right through here. Now, if you think it's easier to put the hook on first, you can put the hook on first. I found it easier to slide these through the seat first and then put the hook on and then attach in the back. So let's do that. I've got both the straps here. I'm going to put the hook on just like that and then connect them. Tuck it right back in, right underneath there, and you won't see it. Now I'm going to take the long straps, put them underneath the seat, and then put them through the buckle and tighten it. And just remember there's two straps for each side. Now that I have all the straps connected, I'm just going to tuck it in around the seams here one time, and I'll go through once we're completely finished installing and do some more tucking. Time to do the top portion. I need to remove the headrest. I'm going to put that to the side and put the seat cover on. Just pretty easy. Just kind of sit it on there, wrap it around. This is when your tool really comes in handy because you're going to need it to pop these plastic pieces that hold the headrest in place. Makes it so much easier and saves your fingers from some pain. Another thing to note is these top parts are also side specific. You're gonna see this airbag tag. The airbag tag is gonna go on the outer portion because that's where the airbag is in the seat. You're gonna grab 3 of these little plastic circular things and you're gonna install it on these little hoops here, just like this. I'm going to tuck these all the way through on the bottom. Those circular tabs are what keep the seat cover tucked away in this crease. Once you get those circular anchors through the crease, locate this strap, buckle it, and then push it under, and you can kind of lift this under piece right here. Put it behind. And now's the time to get your tool to start pushing this in behind the Molle panel. You don't have to use your tool, but I have dainty little princess fingers and the tool is very helpful. Now is the time to do the headrest. Pretty self-explanatory. The only thing I want to let you know is these back seats have a little button for the headrest to flip forward. So you want to locate the headrest that have no buttonhole on it. It attaches with the Velcro piece and then install just like that. Front seat is done. Let's move to the back seats. Installing the back seat covers are very similar to the front. Obviously the size is different, but I start by tucking all of this back, put the straps through, and then reaching it's going to be easier because the clearance underneath the back seats is much higher than the front seats. You want to grab the 3 straps from underneath, connect them to the buckle, and tighten. These 3 straps you can tuck in kind of underneath the seat. Now I'm gonna locate this side strap, put the hook on, and hook them right here to these bars underneath the seats. And make sure you don't forget about the other side and do the exact same thing. Now you're gonna repeat the same steps for the other side. It's time to do the back seat. I'm gonna start with the bigger side. I'm gonna remove the headrest, put this to the side. I'm going to fold the seat forward, and it's gonna kind of fall into these, but you need to make sure you remember your seat belt. So I'm gonna extend this out, put the seat cover through this, open it up, and now I can put the seat completely down and wrap the cover around it. We're gonna zip it together. And then just adjust the Velcro, make sure it's straight. Flip this back up, and I'm going to tuck in around the headrest. Since I have these tucked in, I know the seat covers are perfectly aligned. I'm gonna fold the seats back down, and you're going to get the Velcro that's on the side here and go ahead and install. You're gonna have to lift this up and then put that back over it. Do the same thing on this side. We're gonna repeat the same steps for this side, do the headrest, and then we're done. The seat cover kit also comes with a center console cover, so if you wanna add that leather look to this, go ahead and install. All right, we're done. I think they look fantastic. They feel great, they look great, and they're gonna protect those seats. Until next time, buckle up, Buttercup.